Hey students, now we are starting the second question of the fourth of exercise 2.4. We have to factorize this. We will use again splitting the middle term, okay, method. Now first of all what we will do, we will multiply this and this. So 3 2s are 6. Now we have to factorize 6 in a way that when we do this is what plus means total, okay. We will see the sign of constant term. What is the sign? Plus. So we are doing addition now. So by addition what we will get? 7, okay. Now if we take 6 and do 2 3s are 6, so 2 3s are 6, but 3 plus 2 is 5, but we need 7. So another thing that we can do, 6 1s are 6, okay. 6 into 6 6, and 6 plus 1 is 7, okay. Now we want to do addition here and we want positive sign, that is why we will take both positive. 6x plus x, when I am writing x, it means I am writing 1x, okay. 6x plus x is 7x, okay. By addition we are doing this, okay. And addition can be done by two way, either they both have negative sign or they both have positive sign. Here we want a positive sign, that is why we have taken both positive, okay. Now we can take 2x common from first two, okay, and try to take it is not compulsory, but every time try to take bigger thing first and lesser on the second, okay. Take 2x common, remaining part is x here, plus x is already get common. If I take 2 common from 6, 2 3s are 6, so remaining part is 3. Here we have plus, so we doesn't need to worry about the sign, okay. We just take 1 common because nothing can get common from this, so plus 1 is common, okay. When 1 get common, nothing is changed here. You observe one thing, that both will be same, okay, after taking common from this 2 and this 2. Now we can take x plus 3 common again. So here remaining part is 2 and here is 1. So this is the factorization of this question, okay. Now we are going to start the next question, okay. Factorize, and the question is 6x square plus 5x minus 6, okay. We need to factorize this. How to factorize this? Okay, if we apply the same method, we can try to apply the same method. 6 6 are 36. We need to factorize this 36 in a way that, okay. Now what we need to do, addition or subtraction, we will decide by this, okay. It is minus means we have to do subtraction, so we have to factorize this 36 in a way that when these two subtracted, okay, the answer is what? 5. Now if we do 6 6 are, so 6 minus 6 is 0, we doesn't get 5, so we cannot do this. We can do 2 into 18, 18 2s are 36, but 18 minus 2 is not 5, okay. We can do 9 4s are 36, 9 minus 4 is 5, okay. And you must remember one thing, that we are doing subtraction here. For subtraction both should have opposite sign, so that we can do subtraction. So 6x square is as it is, okay. Take this bigger one first, 9x 4x minus 6. We want to do subtraction, but we want positive sign here, so bigger will have positive sign and smaller will have negative sign, okay. Just for information I am explaining here that either of instead of this, if we would have negative sign here, then at that time 9x, 4x and minus, here we want to have negative sign, so in that case we will take negative here, positive here. Okay, so minus 9x plus 4x will become minus 5x again. Okay, so that is a simple technique. You can use another technique also, but I will explain you that technique in next question. In this question we are applying the simple plus minus technique. Okay, here if we take 3x common from both, we can take 3x. We have to take as maximum as possible common. Okay, maximum to maximum we can take 3x common. So here 2 is remaining. From x square we have taken x, so x is remaining. Here x is already taken common. From 9 3 is taken common, so we know 3 3s are 9, so remaining part is 3. From this 2, first of all I have told you that before x minus sign is not acceptable. Okay, we will remove that sign. So first of all we will take minus common. From 4x and 6 we can take maximum 2 common. Okay, so minus is taken common, so it will change the sign. From negative both will become positive. Okay, from 4x 2 is common, so 2 is remaining, x is as it is. From minus it will convert into positive. Now from 6 2 is common, we know 2 3s are 6, so we will take 3 common. Now from this 2x plus 3 is taken common, so here 3x is remaining, here minus 2. So this is the factorization. Easy? Okay. For this video we are covering these 2 questions. In next video, okay, we will discuss some other questions, but before that, this is the 4th question. Factorize 3x square minus x minus 4. I want from you to do this question yourself. Okay, and write down comment section if you find any difficulty to solve, or if you find any difficulty to understand any question. Just write me on comment section. I will try my best to explain you, okay, whatever your difficulties are. Till then, do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, like my video and share it if you like my video. Okay, thank you.